Are you like me or one of those woodworkers who keep stacking up pieces of wood, offcuts from 2x4s and other hardwood and plywood? Well, today's video I'm showing you how you can turn your scrap pieces of plywood into something beautiful that you could probably sell if you choose to, or you can give it away as a gift to a family member or a friend. So stick around and let's jump right into the video. As usual, I'll include the dimensions in the video as we go. To start off, I'm using 4 pieces of plywood that are about the same dimensions that are from a previous project. I'm just gluing those together. I'm using Type 1 thick and quick, which dries really fast, dries clear, and is very strong bond. And you don't have to wait too long for it to dry. And once I have those 4 glued together, then I'll use that to cut off the sides of the box that we're building. In case you haven't noticed or you haven't picked that up yet, we're making a keepsake box from the plywood that we want. We're not carving it out from this block. We will be cutting off the sides, as you would see in the video. Most, if not all, of the process that I use in this video are easier to follow along, so I'll keep my talking to a very minimum. As usual, questions and comments are always welcomed, and I will do my best to respond to them as quickly as possible. Thank you, and sit back and watch the rest of the video. As a result of me ripping the board too slow, there are a couple of blade marks that were introduced on the block there, but those will be taken care of at some point in the sanding process. At this point, I want to quickly remind you that all you need is a little bit of faith and some action. Hey there, my friend. I have a quick favor to ask of you. If you have a family member or a friend who you think might like this video, please share it with them. Thank you. At this point, I want to quickly remind you that all you need is a little bit of faith and some action. And that's it, my friend. You can use this to store pretty much anything that would fit in there, from old coins to letters to family photos to jewelry. You can store jewelry in there. Off camera, I installed a couple sets of magnets on the two sides, so those will keep the lid closed like that. So that's an option you can add, or you can add hinges and a lock in the front of it if you choose, or you can just have the cover sitting on top of it. It has enough weight to keep it closed. So whatever option you like, you can go with that. At this point in the video, I want to say thank you so much to you for taking your time to watch the video up to this point. I want you to know that I don't take that for granted, and I appreciate you very much. Until the next video, take care and God bless. I'll see you in the next video. And as always, I hope you will have a tangible experience of God's love today.